Hello, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalabo USA. Today we're going to go over how to set your MAGIO MS or MX into remote control mode using either the RS-232, the Ethernet, or the USB interface. You click on the little menu wheel, select the Connect Unit menu. Remote control, when you go to it, you have the option of off, serial, USB, or Ethernet. This one also has Modbus TCP IP. For easy temp, we can use serial, USB, or Ethernet. To go to the interfaces, serial can be selected in RS-232. We can change the baud rate. Our factory default is 4800. The parity can be changed between none, odd, and even. When selecting none, it would change your data bits. Your handshake has the option of none, software, and hardware. This also has RS-485 built into it. Our EasyTemp does not have this interface incorporated, but if you're using it with another device, it has similar baud rate and parity, but then it adds an address. So you could connect multiple units on one line. Each unit would have its own address. Ethernet. When you connect the Ethernet cable to the unit and have the obtain IP address from your network, it will automatically fill in an IP address, a subnet mask, and default gateway. These are important because you will need to know the IP address when connecting it to EasyTemp. If we go to remote control, we select serial. Go back to our home screen. It's going to have a little R in the bottom, and it's going to show RS-232 in your set point button, indicating that it is now in RS-232 control mode. If we go back to connect unit, change that to USB. Now you're going to again see the big R down here, and you're going to notice that the button has changed to USB, indicating that it is in USB control mode. Back to connect unit, remote control, select Ethernet. And now you're going to see the big R still, and Ethernet in the button, indicating that it is an Ethernet control. And if we turn the remote control off, you'll notice it has T set in the button on your display and no R in the bottom. That is how you would set your MAGIO MS or MX circulator into remote control mode using either the USB, RS-232, or Ethernet connections.